आज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे और आज ऑल्ट कॉइन्स के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे एज वी नो दैट ये साल एंड होने वाला है और जो नेक्स्ट ईयर है हमारे लिए 2025 हम इसके लिए बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे और इस ऑल्ट ईयर के लिए राइट। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले कुछ न्यूज़ बिट्स कवर कर लेते हैं and then we go into our alts, right? Let me check that YouTube पे stream हो रहा है या नहीं। Yeah, we are live. So everyone who is watching, just drop me a thumbs up ताकि I can see that you are there and everything is working fine. Uh, Guys, thank you. So yes, I can see your response. Thanks. So let's start with our current news, which is going on. Wait, let me share my screen. Mm, Share screen. There. Yes. तो आई एक्चुअली नया कैमरा लगाया और क्या कहते हैं एवरीथिंग इज अब दूसरा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर स्ट्रीमिंग। तो आई बिलीव कि अब स्ट्रीम जो है बहुत स्मूथ आ रही होगी एंड कैमरा क्वालिटी विल इज नाइस कंपेरेटिव टू आवर ओल्डर लाइव्स, राइट। तो थैंक्स टू एप्पल अपडेट दो, ये आईफोन से अभी डायरेक्ट स्ट्रीम हो रहा है, राइट। तो सबसे पहले ये जो अभी फर्क चल रहा है यूएसडीटी का, दैट ईयू का जो नया रेगुलेशन आ रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग यूएसडीटी इज नॉट कम इनटू दैट, नॉट अप ऑफ दैट स्टैंडर्ड्स। तो इसलिए दे आर डीलिस्टिंग यूएसडीटी इन यूरोपियन यूनियन region, and all the exchanges there can't won't be able to trade in won't be able to execute trades in USDT pair. So what does it mean for USDT? So according to me, this is my personal opinion, that it is a rumor, and it is a good time because there is a lot of FUD in the market, and the basic rule of crypto market is buy the rumor, sell the news. So I believe you should start to take, if I would take entries in tranches, then one third of the entries I should take now, and which I'm going to do. And I'm going to show you coins in which I'm going to take entries, build longs, or maybe spot entries. So I'm going to share that with you. Also, all the people who are new in this cycle, I want to share this account with you. Secrets. Money flow. Correct. So, Joe, I want you guys to ignore this new wala part, right? We have to go by this traditional money flow chart, because ये तो सब चलता रहेगा, नए नए narratives बनते रहते हैं। इस बार memes का, and this is from Murad, तो he's a he's the guy who come up with the concept or meme super cycle this cycle. So, but I want you to focus on this. So first of all, we have seen a rally of Bitcoin, right? Which has already happened. We have seen Bitcoin at 108K, right? Now we are seeing strength in Ethereum chart. If we open ETH to BTC chart, we can see a very good bottom formation happening here. You can see. So ETH was consistently underperforming BTC from a very long time, but now we can see a sudden, strength building up in ETH, and you can see there is a double bottom pattern sort of forming in ETH, which is a very bullish, sign. And also, if we give it a second look, तो हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे it is forming like a reverse head and shoulder pattern, right? And this is a bearish order block, right? So the mostly it can be play out like we can take our first entry here, and it can then continue its up move, break this resistance, retest it here, and continue its move upwards. So in this cycle, you have to check tokens for making entries कि उनके BTC पेयर में what strength they are showing, राइट? तो ये ईद का चार्ट है, एंड उसके अलावा आई एम कंसिस्टेंटली सीइंग दिस फियर एंड ग्रीड इंडेक्स, बट ये अभी तक नीचे नहीं आया। इट इज स्टिल एट 72 आफ्टर some correction in the markets. And if we see the ETF outflows and inflows, so there has been like on yesterday, like there was a good inflow of money in BTC and ETH ETF, but uske baad we have seen consistently inflows in ETH ETF, but BTC may some money gone out. So in total, if we see that the inflow is this 275K around, right? But this doesn't matter much because we have to care for ETH this time, ETH and other altcoins. So if you have seen that apart from this money flow, there is one more thing that first, in the starting of the rally, all the L1s, all the chains, layer one chains, they start to rally first, and then money start to moves in other altcoins, right? So Ethereum is the first blue chip chain, right? Uske baad we have Solana, AVAX, etc., in which we are be betting, right? So funding rates एक बार check कर लेते हैं। तो funding rates we can see that they are fairly यहाँ पे बहुत heat up हो चुका था, and we have seen multiple crashes in that time, very choppy market, जहाँ पे FOMC meeting के बाद we have seen that it has been consistently cooled down, and some tokens में तो ये negative में भी चला गया, right? You are getting paid to open longs. And apart from that, I want to share some charts with you. So here are some five tokens which I have find out for you. First is our we have already talked about is Ethereum. Ethereum we have discussed, so I won't go deep into it again. And उसके बाद there is सोलाना। सोलाना जो मीम्स का नैरेटिव है इस बार वो बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है, तो वी कांट इग्नोर सोलाना एंड पम डॉट फन। एंड अभी ऑफ कोर्स सीजी के ट्वीट के बाद थिंग्स कूल डाउन अ लिटिल, बट पम डॉट फन पे वी हैव स्टिल रोबस्ट वॉल्यूम्स, एंड जो उनका रेवेन्यू है दैट इज स्टिल रोबस्ट, एंड वी कैन सी दैट आफ्टर फेब वी कैन सी अ रैली इन सोलाना। उसके बाद आई एम बेटिंग ऑन FTM। FTM आई नो बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ने FTM को प्रमोट करा था जब इट वाज अराउंड 1.3 1.4, all of the people like got all in and got liquidated in this crash which has happened after FOMC meeting. But if we still see that FTM has shown really good strength and अभी बहुत ही अच्छे support levels पे, and there is very good entries if we put fib here and we make it yes. So we can see now it is coming back to its discount zone, right? We have here a premium zone and here a discount zone. So it is coming back to its discount zone or a bit deep discount zone में आ चुका है. And whenever token like these come into their deep discount zone, they rally upwards very quickly. तो अभी बहुत अच्छा मौका है to build some position in FT. And fourth, Near I'm very bullish on Near because ये AI narrative का part है इस बार, and AI we can see that after ChatGPT and everything, Tau AI has become a very great narrative, and I believe this year AI will be very strong narrative, right? तो एंड AI एजेंट्स जो अभी रिसेंट नैरेटिव चल रहा है जैसे फा का भी हमने बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रैली देखा, तो आई बिलीव नियर एंड ऑल दीज अदर AI टोकन्स विल फॉलो इट। तो नियर में अभी it has broken this trend line. After that it is taking support at fib level. We can see here 2.618 level, and we can see it is taking support here, and there is good time to, if you want to add a tranche, you can, get a, buy some position, buy some here right now, and later you can DC it here, right? And it's very hard that it, because we can see there is a very strong support right here, right? And it's very, it has to, you know it has to require a lot of bearishness, which is, in an, or a lot of catalyst thing to break this support. So these are some safe entries right now in near. AVAX. AVAX is also very good. All these coins have broken down after FOMC meeting and are at currently very good level. So AVAX may I have marked, if you have your first entry at $31, and then your second entry at 28, and your stop loss is below $25.56. So these are the some entries. You can pause the video after this live, and take a screenshot of all the charts I have shown you. Apart from it, there is nothing much. If you have any questions and stuff, so I am ready to take those, or and we can end the live. Mhm. I believe there are no questions there. So thank you so much for joining, guys, and we'll see you next week. And let's see what markets are doing. I believe after in next week, we can see a good bounce back from these levels, and these entries which were taken are should be in profit. So that's all from my side, guys. And if so this I have shown you my game plan. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me on Twitter or anything. If you have anything in mind, just drop me a DM or comment on any post which I've did. I'll surely reply to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Have a good night.